The 2008 U.S. presidential election was like no other. Hope was in the air, palpable and electrifying. Barack Obama, a young senator with a message of change, captivated the nation. And riding alongside his campaign, plastered on walls and laptops across the country, was an image as iconic as the candidate himself, Shepard Fairey's Hope poster. This striking red, white, and blue portrait, with Obama gazing upward, his name emblazoned beneath, became synonymous with the Obama campaign. It transcended mere campaign material, morphing into a symbol of a generation yearning for progress. But behind the image of unity and hope, a legal battle was brewing, one that would have far-reaching consequences for the art world and copyright law. The story of the Hope poster isn't just about a political campaign or even a single piece of art. It's a tale about the very essence of creativity, the boundaries of fair use, and the delicate balance between artistic expression and intellectual property rights. It's a story that continues to resonate, sparking debate and challenging our understanding of art in the digital age. This is the story of the untold legal battle behind the iconic Obama Hope poster. Shepard Fairey is no stranger to controversy. Long before the Hope poster thrust him into the national spotlight, he was a celebrated street artist known for his bold, graphic style and politically charged work. His signature aesthetic, blending elements of pop art, stenciling, and propaganda, often featured powerful figures like Andre the Giant and Chairman Mao, subverting their original context to ignite conversations about power, conformity, and social justice. Fairey's art wasn't confined to galleries or museums. It lived on the streets, plastered on walls, billboards, and street signs, demanding attention and sparking dialogue. His work, often unsanctioned and unauthorized, challenged the established art world, blurring the lines between vandalism and activism. With the Hope poster, Fairey saw an opportunity to amplify Obama's message of hope and change. He believed in the power of art to inspire, to mobilize, and to effect real change. But his decision to appropriate an existing photograph for the poster would set in motion a legal battle that would test the limits of fair use and challenge his own artistic integrity. The creation of the Hope poster began with a photograph. In 2006, Manny Garcia, a photographer working for the Associated Press, captured a candid shot of then-Senator Obama at a National Press Club event. The image, with Obama's gaze fixed intently on the speaker, exuded a sense of focus, determination, and quiet confidence. Fairey, drawn to the power of Garcia's photograph, saw in it the potential for an iconic image. He downloaded the image from the internet and set to work transforming the original photograph into a stylized, stencil portrait. He rendered the image in a bold red, white, and blue palette, adding the word hope in bold, capitalized letters beneath Obama's chin. The resulting image was both familiar and strikingly new. It retained the essence of Garcia's original photograph, Obama's intense gaze, his air of quiet strength, but transformed it through Fairey's signature style. The Hope poster was instantly recognizable, capturing the spirit of optimism and change that defined Obama's campaign. At the heart of the legal battle over the Hope poster lies the concept of fair use. Fair use is a legal doctrine that allows for the limited use of copyrighted material without permission from the copyright holder for purposes such as criticism, commentary, news reporting, teaching, scholarship, or research. Fairey argued that his use of Garcia's photograph fell under fair use. He claimed that he had transformed the original photograph into a new and distinct work of art with a different meaning and message. He argued that his poster was a form of political commentary protected under the First Amendment. Fairey's defense hinged on the transformative nature of his work. He argued that his poster wasn't simply a copy of Garcia's photograph, it was a new and original work of art that incorporated elements of the original, but ultimately transcended it. He pointed to the stylistic changes he made, the addition of the word hope, and the overall political message of the poster as evidence of its transformative nature. Section 5. The Associated Press strikes back, a battle for ownership. The Associated Press, however, saw things differently. They argued that Fairey's use of Garcia's photograph constituted copyright infringement. They claimed that Fairey had simply copied the heart of the image, Obama's likeness and pose, and that his alterations were not significant enough to constitute a new work. The AP's case rested on the principle of copyright protection. Copyright law grants creators of original works exclusive rights to their work, including the right to reproduce, distribute, and create derivative works. The AP argued that Ferry had violated their exclusive rights by using Garcia's photograph without permission and without compensating them for its use. The legal battle between Ferry and the AP quickly became a high-profile case, attracting widespread media attention and sparking a national debate about the boundaries of fair use, the rights of artists, and the role of copyright in the digital age. Section 6, Truth and Consequences, Ferry's Misstep. As the legal battle raged on, Ferry's case suffered a significant blow. In an attempt to bolster his fair use defense, Ferry initially claimed that he had used a different photograph of Obama as the basis for his poster. He later admitted that he had in fact used Garcia's AP photograph and had attempted to cover up his tracks by destroying evidence and submitting false images. This revelation of deception severely damaged Ferry's credibility and weakened his legal standing. It cast a shadow over his claims of fair use, raising questions about his motives and his understanding of copyright law. Ferry's actions highlighted the importance of honesty and transparency in fair use cases. While the transformative nature of a work is a key factor in determining fair use, so too is the artist's good faith and their willingness to acknowledge and attribute the source of their inspiration. Section 7, Seeking Resolution, a Settlement and its Implications. In 2011, after years of legal wrangling, Ferry and the Associated Press reached a settlement. The terms of the settlement remained confidential, but both sides claimed victory. Ferry acknowledged that he had used Garcia's photograph without permission and agreed to pay the AP an undisclosed sum. The AP, in turn, recognized Ferry's artistic talent and the cultural significance of the Hope poster. The settlement, while not a clear-cut legal victory for either side, provided a practical resolution to a complex and contentious case. It highlighted the challenges of applying traditional copyright principles to the digital age, where images are easily shared, manipulated, and reimagined. Section 8. The Legacy of Hope, Fair Use in the Digital Age. The Hope poster case continues to have a profound impact on discussions about fair use and intellectual property rights in the digital age. It serves as a cautionary tale for artists who appropriate copyrighted material, highlighting the importance of transparency, attribution, and a clear understanding of fair use principles. The case also underscores the challenges of balancing the rights of copyright holders with the need to protect artistic expression and encourage creativity. The digital age, with its ease of copying and sharing, has further complicated these issues, blurring the lines between inspiration, appropriation, and infringement. Section 9. Navigating the Tightrope Artists and Copyright in the 21st Century. The Hope poster case serves as a reminder that copyright law is not always black and white. Fair use is a complex and nuanced doctrine, and its application often depends on the specific facts of each case. In today's digital landscape, artists must navigate a complex web of copyright laws and fair use principles. The ease with which images can be shared and manipulated online has made it more important than ever for artists to understand their rights and responsibilities when using copyrighted material. Section 10. Beyond the Poster, a Lasting Impact on Law and Culture. The legacy of the Hope poster extends far beyond the courtroom. The case has had a lasting impact on the art world, sparking conversations about the nature of art, the role of appropriation, and the boundaries of fair use in the digital age. The case has also influenced legal scholarship and judicial opinions, shaping the way courts interpret and apply fair use doctrine. It serves as a touchstone for understanding the challenges of balancing copyright protection with the need to foster creativity and innovation. Section 11. Hope and its Discontents, the Enduring Questions of Artistic Freedom. The story of the Hope poster is ultimately a story about the power of art and the enduring questions it raises. It's a story about inspiration and appropriation, about the boundaries of fair use and the limits of artistic freedom. The case reminds us that while copyright law plays a vital role in protecting the rights of creators, it must also allow room for creativity, innovation, and the transformative power of art. As we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of digital art and culture, the lessons of the Hope poster case will continue to guide our understanding of these complex and important issues.